welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are unboxing the Glam Bag X, which is from Ipsy. It is a quarterly subscription. You have to be subscribed to either Ipsy Glam Bag or Ipsy Glam Bag Plus to get it. It is dang near $60. And
it's filled with mystery.
You get 8 products.
8 products?
And
how many do you get to pick?
You get to pick 3 products.
3?
And they pick 5 for you. And it's called Glam Bag X because they collaborate with a influencer of some sorts. What else? Hi, my name is Jennifer. If you are new to my channel, this is my husband, Aaron. We open subscription boxes together. I usually do a lot of makeup material on my channel. I do cooking videos. What else? I
eat the cooking when you do cooking videos.
He eats the cooking. Yeah, and sometimes I do talk about mental health issues. If you're into all of that, or say you're into just some of it, then
30% of it.
I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So, like I said, this comes 4 times a year. It comes in February, May, August, and November.
And it's purple. Is it always purple?
And yeah, this is what the box looks like.
Maybe lilac, perhaps.
And yeah, it usually comes with a little newspaper type thing. This time they are collaborating with Alicia Keys. Ooh. I think this is like the biggest influencer that they have collaborated with, honestly. Unless you count Khloe Kardashian, which I don't. Okay.
But she's famous for being a Kardashian.
And here they list all the things you could get, and including Alicia Keys has her own brand, which is, oh wow, something from Pat McGrath. Anyway.
And what is her brand called?
Her brand is called Keys by
Alicia Keys?
Keys Soul Care, that's what it's called.
Ah, Soul Care, yes.
I think I got some things in here from that brand. Okay, let me look in here and see what things I picked out. Okay, I know, I'm sorry.
That's huge.
I'm sorry if I seem a little discombobulated today. I think we'll go over it Friday if you watch my Friday video.
I'm relatively combobulated myself. I'm sorry that you're discombobulated. I hope that soon you will be recombobulated.
The first thing that I remember picking was this Perricone MD Vitamin C Ester, I don't know what Ester is, Citrus Brightening Cleanser.
Ooh, citrus.
And this is something I have tried before, and I really liked it. Let's see. You're supposed to be looking for it in here. I don't see it in here. Okay, but I remember it was one of the choices. Let's see what it says on the box. You want to read?
Formulaire qui n'achète pas et nettoie sans préservatif.
Okay, read the English version.
Oh, sorry. Non-drying formula cleanses without stripping skin of natural oils, visibly improves skin clarity, texture, and tone. Skin is left looking radiant and feeling refreshed. Key ingredients: vitamin C ester, supercharged brightening and smoothing, a more potent, highly stable, and less abrasive form of antioxidant-rich vitamin C. DMAE, intensive fermenting, naturally produced by the human brain. DMAE helps visibly lifting saggy skin over time. Copper complex, powerful skin strengthening hydration, an element found in almost every cell in the human body. Copper helps visibly improve firmness and elasticity over time by hydrating and energizing skin.
Alrighty.
Brains.
Okay, the next thing I remember picking was this One Size by Patrick Starr, this Turn Up the Base. No, I didn't pick this. They picked it for me. Well, maybe I did pick it. I don't remember anymore. Like I said, I'm having a brain farty kind of day. It is in the color Light 2, which is neutral. I think they picked the right color.
It's kind of shiny.
Yeah, it's really cool. There goes that. Okay, let's see. I did see this in there. I am sorry, y'all.
I'm not sorry.
Of course he's not sorry. Okay, there it is right there.
$33. Go from all natural to full beat with this powder foundation that gives you totally customizable soft matte coverage that lasts all day.
Alicia's tip, a super light dusting all over gives the prettiest skin tint like base.
Thanks, Alicia.
I think that's pretty cool. So some more powder. I am excited to try that out. Like I said, I can't remember if I picked that or not. So I'm just going to go through this box. The next thing is from Alicia Keys Soul Care. It is the Harmony Mask. Okay, let me take this out of the box. If I can get it out of the box.
Well opened.
Okay, it looks like this.
It's black and kind of shiny.
That's nice and glass, I think. It has a little safety thing over it. It's like a mud mask, it looks like. Smells like a mud mask. Smells really nice. Okay, I know there's an affirmation on it.
I walk in my own strength. Je viens avec force et conviction. The mask harmony. The skin transformation cream.
No, it's not that.
The Firmest facial serum.
No, it's not that. Okay, I can't find it in
Well, it's
here.
right there.
That's the skin transformation cream.
Right? Is that not what this is? Harmony mask.
Okay.
We don't know what's going on.
I don't know what's going on with this.
We're just not going to try to look them up in there anymore.
Read, read what's on the
Let's
box.
just read the box. Developed in partnership with a board-certified dermatologist, this soothing sandalwood-scented purifying mask is formulated with charcoal, manuka honey, and gold foil to help detoxify and balance skin. Put it on your skin. Manuka honey plus charcoal. Miel de manuka plus charbon.
Okay, the next thing I got in here is something I know they picked out for me. It is the Skin Party with Squalane, Shea Butter, and
I love Squalane. It's my favorite aim.
sweet almond oil. Give your body the replenishment
Almond oil.
and fun it deserves. And this is $24.
$24.
There it is.
Skin Party might sound like fun and games, but the non-sticky lotion doesn't mess around when it comes to hydration. Alicia's tip: work this over damp, just out of the shower skin to max out the benefits.
What is it?
It's a Skin Party. Skin Party. Skin Party.
Is it just a body cream?
Sounds kind of naughty.
Is it a body cream?
I guess so.
Is this a body cream? Do y'all know?
Too big to be a face moisturizer.
It just says non-sticky lotion. I'm not gonna. Let me just see if it's sealed. Okay. I don't need any more body lotion.
This is for bodies. All the bodies.
Bodies, bodies, bodies. That's the name of a movie that's coming out.
Deeply hydrate and restore even very dry skin, sealing moisture, maintain the skin's barrier, and keep the skin soft, smooth, and happy. It won't ever chew with its mouth open. Gross. Massage all over the body, especially dry or rough bits after the shower or whenever your skin needs nourishment. Squalane.
Okay. I might set that aside for a future giveaway. Okay.
I think my skin needs nourishment.
The next thing is from Ole
Nourish
Hendrickson.
my skin with it.
Do you really want it?
I don't know. What does it smell like?
Well, open it up and see.
Yeah, I think I'd like this.
Okay, you can have it.
I'll give it a try.
All right, the next thing is from Ole Hendrickson. I love this brand. And it says it is Truth Serum. It's $55. Read what it says.
The brightening and protective powers of this antioxidant-rich Truth Serum are no lie. Get it? Thanks to the multitasking vitamin C complex.
It's a vitamin C serum.
Alicia's tip, the uplifting citrus scent helps to pamper your skin and your senses and compels you to tell the truth.
Okay, so far we have 1, 2, 3, 4 skincare products and 1 makeup item. Let's open another makeup item, and this is from Huda Beauty. It is a Honey Kiss Nutra. Can you read that?
Silk Balm Honey Kiss Nutra Plumping Lip Balm. Infused with wishful skincare. Organic honey, hyaluronic acid, licorice, and soybean extracts. Wow, licorice.
Licorice?
Licorice.
Okay, here's where it is in here.
Okay. Again, Queen Bee. This lippy has all the heavy-hitting hydrators you're used to seeing in a balm, but with the plumping, high-shine finish you love from a gloss. Alicia's tip. Turn any lipstick into a tinted balm with a coat of this non-sticky hydrator.
All right, then. I love a good lip balm.
Do you love a good non-sticky hydrator?
Sure.
Got bees in it.
Let's open it up and see. Oh, that's interesting.
Kind of pearlescent, or at least the bottle is.
Yeah. I already have lip balm on.
Does it make you feel like a queen bee?
It feels nice.
Feels nice.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta get on with this. The next thing is the Keys Soul Care Be Luminous Exfoliator.
Ooh.
You can probably find that.
Break your face right off.
It looks like that.
Customize your cleansing experience with this water-activated powder to foam exfoliator. Alicia's tip, add less water for more intense exfoliation.
Okay, so it's a powder
That's a new one.
that you add water to. That's cool. I honestly can't remember which items I picked and which they picked for me. I could log into my account with Aaron's phone, but I don't really feel like it. And the last thing is a makeup item that I think they picked for me. Is from Lawless. It is an eyeshadow palette called the Baby One. Yay, I got it open. And it looks like this. Okay, and that is 8 shades and 4 mattes and 2 shimmers. It's kind of a pinky purple look. Well, 1 satin and 1 metallic, I would say.
The balance of brown, rich rose, crimson, and plummy tones complements any skin tone and eye color to enhance your natural beauty. Alicia's tip: I love how you can get everything in one place.
And those are the shades in there. You can make a nice neutral kind of look with those.
Indeed you could.
Okay, and that's what I got. I got this palette. I got the Kids Soul Care Exfoliating Powder. I got the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum, which is a vitamin C serum. I got the Huda Beauty Lip Balm. I got the One Size powder, pressed powder. I got the Kids Soul Care Harmony Mask. And the Perricone MD Vitamin C Citrus Brightening Cleanser. I'm happy with my box, I think. It is definitely one of my better boxes. Did you get the Glam Bag X Alicia Keys? I don't know why they keep calling it the Glam Bag. The Glam Box. Did they have a bag this month? I usually pick the bag. I didn't see a bag in there.
No bag in your box? No box in your bag.
Because I like to pick out the bag, usually. What items did you get? Leave me a comment down below. It really helps with engagement. Or let me know what you thought of my box. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, we hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you're not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there. I am sweating so bad right now. Please go check me out on my socials. They are linked down below. I am on Twitter. I am on Instagram. I am on TikTok. And if you're having an especially hard day, know that I'm thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. And just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there.
Stay hydrated.
Yeah, stay hydrated. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.